Pawpaw, Sammy, and Alley Bug here. This morning, I'm gonna get out here and take care of my ginger. It's turning. I'm gonna put it down for the winter. What I do is I cut it. Like so. Then I come back and just chop it up. I got ginger growing here also. I just cut it up and let it drop. This, I do this every year on my ginger. Well, actually all my plants. I always just cut and drop, cut and drop. Uh, this a form of compost for the winter and kind of help keep the plants alive and comfortable. But it works. Every year my ginger comes back. Every year. You see it. And I harvest this ginger heavy, really heavy. Now, in South Louisiana, they say lagniappe. Anything that's an extra, a little above what they expected. This plant right here, I truthfully don't know what it is, but Mama and them call it pepper plant. Little bitty seeds, green. But they have I don't know, it's not hot, but it's got a distinct heaty taste, kind of like almost like a peppermint. Got a good odor too. Anyway, that's what I do with my ginger every year. Is cut it, put it back in there, and just leave it alone. And next summer, it'll come right on back up. This is what my ginger looks like before I cut it back. All right, I'm cut it back, and this is what it's going to look like when I finish. I take it, I chop it, and put it down on top, along with all this compost that's already in there, and she's set for the winter. She'll go on through the next summer. Now here's the finished product. All my ginger is chopped up on top. Underneath the ginger, if you'll notice, is a big layer of grass. Now, that'll winterize my ginger all year long. Pull the tops, chop them, lay them back on top with grass compost under that, and you got the winter made.